Hey. Hi. You're clawing me. I don't even have any snacks. See how spoiled I got her? Look, I'm not even giving her snacks, Ray. She's just needing me like I'm her bed or something. Because she give you a snack after that? You should stop it! Get off of me! You crazy cat! Yeah, and then look right at your bowl. I know what you want. She's so... No, quick walk! I don't got nothing. Ow! Just for that, I won't make you wait. Let's go do a sky check, you guys. It's raining out here, you guys. We got a sprinkle. Praise the Lord. I'll help these guys with those fires. I just hope it goes up north far enough to have a real effect. At least the humidity's up. That's what we got this morning. It's oh, that's interesting there. It looks like a guy smiling, right? That's his nose, that's his nose, that's his mouth, and there's his deep set eyes. His hair looks about like mine, a mess. Hi, that's my neighbors. Well, if I ever not get too far out there, I'll get the camera wet.